Okay, a great handbag is the perfect way to lead. Nothing makes an entrance like a fabulous bag. And one of the biggest trends right now are really high-end looks, really beautiful exotics. And that's exactly what this bag is. It's the perfect size, and it's gonna be in a lot of colors, but number one, perfect size, really great construction. This is done in a vegan leather, so it's something that's going to be lightweight, easy to carry, beautifully done. It has this great hardware at the top. This long strap comes in it, so you can put it over your arm or over a shoulder or cross body. The inside's going to be basic black with a slip pocket and back, so it's super simple. But isn't that a fabulous bag? So here it is in the green, loving that. Here it is in the pink, so fun. In the pink, love that. Love the seaming on the sides. How great is that? Here it is in the gray, which I think is absolutely stunning. They each have a little bit of a metallic and a sheen. This brown, which I have to admit is my ultimate favorite, but then this orange is so fabulous. So this bag is gonna be in 5 gorgeous colors. Each and every one of them is amazing. It's a perfect classic size, and oh my gosh, nothing makes an entrance like a really good bag.